The biggest emotion which is actually blocking your manifestation. And because of that one particular emotion, you're not able to earn money. The emotion is fear. We have a lot of fear, we have a lot of self-doubt while growing up. Because of our environment, because of your current situation, we've been carrying a lot of fear. And 99% of this fear are just imaginary, are just your perception. You are thinking, what if that person will reject you? What if I start a new business, I will fail? What if I lose all the money? What if I get sick tomorrow? So this kind of fear every day you are experiencing, and because of this fear, you're overthinking, and this overthinking leads to your leads this overthinking blocks your manifestation. This is a chain of cycle. It's being revolving in your life. It's being from for 20 years, for 15 years, so many years you are carrying this fear. And because of this one fear, just tell me how many years you're not able to take any single decision because of that one fear. Because of the fear of what people will judge me, what if I'll fail. You haven't take any decision in your life. You haven't invested money because you're thinking that you will lose money. You haven't start your business because you think that you will fail. You haven't gone out because you feel something bad will happen. So many fears, so many fears is actually, you know is actually blocking you in your life. But today you will be getting the solution for all your fear. Today I will be sharing how you can remove and resolve all your fear, especially the fear related to money. You have to remember, if you have a fear of earning money, you cannot earn money in your life. If you think that earning 1 lakh rupees is a big deal for you, and thinking of 1 lakh rupees give you goosebumps, give you anxiety, gives you panic attack, creating lot of heaviness on your chest, it means that you have lot of money trauma. It means that your nervous system is not healed, your nervous system is holding a lot of fear. So today, especially for money, especially for the decisions which you want to take to earn money in your life, to move forward in your life, to take certain action to earn money, to talk to someone to earn money, to talk to someone whom you have given the money and you're not having a confidence to ask that person. So today we will be removing everything, every kind of a fear. You're just not asking a person, that person have took money from so many years, but you have a fear that maybe if I'll ask money, I will lose, and it will be, it will impact a personal relation or whatever. Because of this, you are not able to take any decision in your life. Just imagine, this is very very powerful emotion which actually holding you back. But today I will promise you that I will help you to resolve this emotion. I'll promise you, after this video, you will take the action. You will work on earning money. Your nervous system will feel safe. Your nervous system will get healed after this video. But I want the commitment. I want the commitment from you that you will be 100% focused and you will be taking action. You will be watching this video till the end, and you will be practicing that meditation. You will be practicing that technique with me completely. Not today, not tomorrow. You will be practicing this technique till 21 days, every morning and every night, if you want to see amazing results in your life. I just need only this one promise from you. This one promise can literally change your life, can literally change your fears, can literally overcome all the fears. And just imagine tomorrow, whatever fears you have related to earning money, just imagine as your future self. You have overcome that fear. You have take all the decision in your life. Just imagine how your life will be tomorrow. What your life will be, what your future version is living tomorrow after overcoming that fear. I want you to set that intention in your mind today. With this intention, we will be doing this technique. With this intention, we will be doing this meditation today. Hold an intention, because once you have an intention, it will manifest and it will create your reality. So act like your future version and just ready to manifest, just ready to take all the action which requires to earn money, which requires to make a lot of money. Just have the belief, have that faith, have that feeling that you can earn money, because every individual in the universe is same. They have the same capacity to work. They have 24 hours. They have the same time. They have the same capacity. They have same number of neurons. So what is stopping you to earn money? Only one thing is stopping you to earn money, is that your limiting belief, your negative blockages is stopping you to earn money. But I want you I want you to promise me today that today you will be removing all your negative blockages. Before leaving this video, I want this promise from you. Okay, so this is all. Now we are practicing. We will be practicing this technique. This technique will take minimum like 10 to 15 minutes. I want you to sit in a comfortable place, relax yourself, calm down, have a sip of water, so that you will feel more hydrated. And once you feel more hydrated, you will breathe more properly. So just hydrate yourself and start having a deep breath. Sit in a comfortable place. Inhale, inhale, and just imagine a golden light is entering from your nose, is entering into your nostrils, and from your nostrils, it's going into your throat. This golden light is a powerful light which is created by universe, which is created by universe to heal you from within, which is created by universe to release everything which is stuck inside your body, the trauma, the belief, the fear, anything which is holding you back. Today, today, this powerful light is carrying away everything, is taking out everything from your body. Just imagine that sparkling golden light is entering into your body, is entering into your chest. And now imagine whenever you're having a fear of earning money, whenever you're thinking about money, whatever heaviness, whatever blockages is being feeling inside your chest, this golden light is melting that. Imagine that blockages as a hard stone, and this light, this golden light, miraculous light, is melting that. It's melting that hardness from your chest, is melting away all the guilt, all the regret which you have in the past related to money, all the decision you have taken related to money, whatever fear you have, it's been healing and it's been melting that from your body. Just imagine this light is entering into your solar plexus from your heart, and whatever fear, self doubt, belief you have, whatever belief you have related to earning money, maybe earning money is difficult, it requires a lot of hard work to earn money, I am unlucky, I am not enough. Whatever belief and whatever thoughts you are saying to yourself, See that this golden light is deleting that, is removing that, is melting that emotion, is melting that belief, is melting that thought from your body. Just imagine this golden light is entering into your sacral chakra, is clearing all the blockages, is removing all the guilt, all the shame. Whatever the procrastination you're doing, whatever the laziness you're carrying, it's being removing and melting all the emotion from the sacral chakra. This golden light is entering now into your root chakra and healing this root chakra. Whatever comfort you have, whatever whatever decision you're not able to take to earn money, it is healing all the negative emotion, all the self doubt from the root chakra. All your chakra is activated. All the chakra have been healed right now because of this golden light. This golden light is healing you from within and is releasing all the negative emotion which is stuck inside your body from so many years, maybe from for 20 years, 30 years. This chakra, this golden light is erasing everything. Now imagine this light is entering into your thighs and all over your body and removing whatever toxic emotion, whatever whatever guilt, whatever heaviness if you're feeling inside your body. This golden light is healing that from within and making you more relaxed, more calm, more relaxed. Now you're ready to earn money. You're ready to open with all the opportunity to make money in your life. You are ready now. Universe is aligning you with lot of opportunities in your life to earn and manifest lot of money in your life. Now we will be starting this powerful technique to release all your fear. Are you ready to release all your fear today related to earning money? I want you to close your eyes and just imagine whenever you're thinking about money, what fear comes to your mind? What self-doubt comes to your mind? What is stopping you, which actually not which is not helping you in your life to earn money? Just imagine. Close your eyes and just imagine a mental picture in front of you. Just visualize what is it stopping you to earn and manifest money in your life. Just imagine that. Now I want you to take your left hand. This is your left. Imagine your left hand as your past. Now I want you to take your left hand. From your left hand, you are going in your past memory, your older version of yourself. And whenever I'm saying you have to go more in your past, you will be slightly going to the left so that you will be slightly going to your past. Imagine you're going in your past self. Whatever is your current age right now, maybe you're 40 years old, maybe you're 50 years old, you are going 10 years back in your life. If you are 40 years old, what was your age 10 years back? Just imagine if you're 20 years old, what was your age 10 years back? You are going in your past. Imagine yourself as a past version. Just imagine how you are looking. What are you wearing? The way you look, the way you smile. And ask this question to your younger self. Ask this question to maybe to your younger self. What is do that younger self also have the fear of earning money? Do that younger self also carrying all the self-doubt, all the fear? Ask this question to your younger self. Do you have the fear of earning money? Do you also have the fear of being judged? Do you also have the fear of being failure? Ask this question to your younger self and say the answer if it is yes or no. If it is yes, then move ahead. Move ahead to your past again. Now imagine that you're just 10 years old. Imagine yourself as a 10-year-old younger version of yourself. Just imagine how are you looking? Are you looking cute or you're looking ugly? Are you chubby? Are you thin? What kind of a personality you have when you're 10 years old? How you're looking? What you are doing when you're 10 years old? Ask this question to your 10 years old version. Do I have the same fear of earning money? Do I have the same fear of losing money? Do I have the same fear of feeling judged, feeling disrespected, feeling something bad will happen, or any fear which you are having right now? Ask this question and see this question how your youngest version will react when you are 10 years old. You are reacting in the same way when you lose money. When you are 10 years old, how you will react when someone will reject you. What you are saying, what you are doing when you are just 10 years old and someone is insulting you. What you were doing that time. Ask this question to yourself, to your 10 years old. Now I want you to move back again in your past timeline. Now you're just 5 years old. You're 5 years old baby, you're very cute, you're very fun loving and you're enjoying the life. Just imagine as a 5 years old. Ask this question to your 5 years old. Do I have the same fear of earning money? Do I have the fear of failure when I was 5 years old? Do I have the fear of judgment? Do you do you do I have the fear that it is hard to earn money? Earning money required a lot of hard work. When you're just 5 years old, do you have this belief? Do you have this thought in your mind? Now move back again. You're just 1 year old. See yourself as a 1 year old. See yourself how small you are. Look at your legs, look at your hands. What you're doing. You're giggling, you're crying. What you're doing. You're in your mother hand. You're with your mom or you're with your dad. What are you doing? A 1 month old baby, a cute baby, is just giggling, is laughing. Just see that baby is laughing and just say to that baby, you're a failure. How that baby is reacting. Say to that 1 year old baby, 1 month old baby, it is difficult to earn money. How that baby is reacting. It is hard to earn money. What if I fail? See that baby is laughing or crying when you're saying. What was the perception of fear of money to that baby of 1 month old? Ask this question to yourself. How that baby will react if that baby will lose money. That 1 month old baby will feel if he lose money, if he rejected, if he failed in a business and thinking about earning big money, what that baby will feel. Ask this question to that baby. The baby is crying. Look at that baby face and just have an eye contact with that small baby. Ask this question to that small cute baby. What was the fear of earning money that baby have? Now again move back into your past. You're just 1 day old. Just 1 day. You're just born. You're just born and you are in your mother's arm. See what you're doing. You're spitting. You're crying. Just crying, laughing. sleeping most of the time. Ask that cute baby, did that baby also have the same fear of earning money? Did that baby also have the same fear of losing someone, losing money, or starting a business, taking any action related to money? Ask this question to that baby. Now again move back. You are in your mother's womb. You're just a sperm in your mother's womb. Ask this question. Do you also have that same fear of earning money? Do you also have that same belief about earning money is hard? Earning money is very difficult. It requires a lot of hard work. Do you also have a fear of earning money that time? Ask this question to that little cute, that sperm that you're in your mother's womb. Just ask that energy this question. Now move ahead. You are going and you are becoming a part of universe. Ask this question. Is that version also have the same fear of earning money? Ask this question that you are a part of universe. What fear you will be having related to earning money? What perception you are having about earning money? Do that part of universe also carry that same fear? Whatever is the wisdom you are getting, whatever is the perception you are getting, bring that perception from universe to the mother's womb, to 1 month old, to 1 year old, to 5 month, to 10 month, and to 20 years, and now in your current age. Bring all the wisdom, whatever you're getting from your past, bring all the wisdom in your heart, and just imagine whatever wisdom you're getting. Whatever your old version are telling you about earning money, just bring it in your heart. Just carry it in your heart. Fill it in your heart. Just fill it in your heart. Now I want you to take your right hand. Whenever you are going to your right, you are going into your future timeline. Now imagine whatever is your current age. If you are 30 years old, just imagine 20 years after. What will be your perception about earning money? What you are thinking after 20 years? What regrets you are having? What life decisions you will be taking related to earning money? What belief you will be having as a mature version of yourself? As a mature version who have lived the life, who have seen a lot in life. Ask this question with your mature version. What belief that person have? Carrying that wisdom in your heart. Carrying that old version wisdom in your heart. Now move ahead. You are 90 years old. Look at your face. Are you still looking young? Or do you have wrinkles? You get old. You get more mature. You live the life. You have experienced everything. You've experienced everything in life. Now ask this question to your 90 years old. What that 90 years old will feel about earning money? Did that 90 years old also have the same perception about earning money? Did that 90 years old also have same fear about earning money, same fear, same self-doubt, same fear about rejection, same fear about losing money? What that 90 years old will be telling you, what maturity that 90 years old will be giving to you? Just ask this question to your 90 years old and carry all the wisdom in your heart from that 90 years old. Now I want you to move ahead. You are in your deathbed. You are in the last day. You're leaving this body. And you are just talking to yourself. And you're telling what perception you have about earning money. What perception, what fears you will be having. What beliefs you will be having as a 90 years old about earning money. What maturity, what wisdom that that person who is leaving the world just now will be giving to you. That mature version. Take all the wisdom from that person and bring that wisdom in your heart. Just fill it in your heart. Just ask this question. Do you have the same fear about earning money? Do you have the same fear about losing someone? Do you have the same fear about losing anything in your life while you're leaving this body? While you're leaving this world, you're at your last day, what you're feeling? Now imagine that person has left the world and again going back to the universe. Ask this question to that part of universe. Did that part of universe also carry the same fear, same self-doubt, same limiting belief related to earning money? Ask this question to yourself. That part of universe, what maturity, what wisdom is giving to you? What belief is giving to you? Carrying all the wisdom from the universe, from the person, from the 90 years old, 50 years old, and bring it in your current timeline. Bring it in your heart and fill that maturity and wisdom in your heart. Fill that maturity and wisdom from your past version and from your future version, and see that you're having the same belief, still you're having that same fear about earning money. Ask this question to yourself. Do you still have the same fear? Do you still have that same limiting belief? Ask this question. Still it will stop you to earn money. Still it will stop you to take action related to earning money. Whatever wisdom you got from your future self and from your past self, carry all the wisdom in your heart. Fill your heart with this wisdom. Imagine this wisdom is getting into your heart in a form of golden words, is filling in your heart, is observing in your heart, and it's removing all the belief, all the fear, all the self-doubt you have related to earning money. It's making you new version, is making you a new person who have new belief, who have new hopes related to earning money. This version is the better version. This version is the powerful version of you, who is the millionaire, who is powerful, who have the capacity to earn any amount of money in your life. Just fill all the wisdom in your heart and say, I am a millionaire. I am ready to manifest money in my life. I am a money magnet and I am ready to manifest money in my life. I release all the self-doubt, all the fear, because I realize all the emotion are just my perception. All the emotion are just lies. I realize and I got the wisdom now. I am ready to attract all the opportunities in my life related to earning money. I am ready to receive. I am ready to manifest money now. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale from your mouth. Inhale once again. Exhale from your mouth. Inhale. With a bright smile, open your eyes and open your eyes like a millionaire. You are a millionaire. Have a body language of a millionaire. Feel like a millionaire. Behave like a millionaire. Live as if you are living your identity of a millionaire now. I want you to practice this identity exercise. This will give amazing results in your life. This will heal your nervous system and this will help you to attract and manifest good amount of money in your life. If you're looking to have one-on-one call with me and if you want to learn more about manifesting money, removing limiting beliefs, and if you want to take more one-on-one session, I want you to book one-on-one call with me and discuss with me what exactly challenges are you facing in your life. Thank you so much for watching this video, and once again, I want you to practice it every day to get amazing results in your life. Thank you so much for watching it. Bye bye. Take care.